Good morning to you all. Jusana cucu waturang namal turang na Levuka. Jusana turangan na Ratu Membureta. Jusana turanga na Tiwe Levu. Jusana turangan na Rotkala. Jusana Lili ni wasiwasi. Lesi ni Bolsheviki maniturangan ay talanggas. Provincial Administrator, Lamalviti, Chief Executive Officer, Levuka Town Council, senior citizens, business houses of Levuka, teachers, school children, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Eastern Division Climate Change Week. This morning marks a momentous time for the division as we join the country as a whole in celebrating the National Climate Week, which was officially launched in Suva yesterday, the 22nd of September 2017. The purpose of this week-long celebration is to bring together all Fijians to share information and advocate on the impact of climate change in our communities, and moreover, its grip on the livelihood of our future generation. In addition, this event aims to encourage all Fijians to participate in raising awareness and taking actions to help reduce our carbon footprint. The Honorable Prime Minister, as the COP23 President this year, whereby his intentions are very clear, there is his presidency is for every Fijian, every Pacific Islander, and every global citizen. It is therefore essential that we bring the voices of all Fijian people to the forefront of our presidency and use their stories, experience, and struggles to promote a more positive global action on this issue. As a division consisting of mostly of maritime island and its unique natural landscapes and beauty, we however affected adversely in the face of climate change and its impacts. This doesn't mean to strike terror in our hearts, but to strengthen us in securing a better future for our future generation. And the only way to do so is to share our ideas and lessons learned from previous climatic events, which will help us build resilience and promote a culture of adaptability. Climate change celebration in the Eastern Division will see a week-long program in Levuka, Kandavu, Nau, Koro, and in Lau. The week-long program in the various districts of the Eastern Division will cover activities dedicated to preserving environment and forestry, water, coastal protection, and traditional knowledge, agriculture, food security, and fisheries, and of course, education. Organized and coordinated by the government officials, We will reach out to communities to show commitments to climate change issues. I urge each and everyone present to promote the advocacy of climate change impacts in the division and share ideas on how we can tackle it using the integrated approach. For instance, the use of traditional and modern knowledge in building resilience at all levels. We as a division, district and family must hold hands in taking steps to reduce our vulnerable and increase our resilience. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I call upon you to take action now for the betterment of your future generation. Let us be the guiding light for the world in terms of cooperation, sustainability, and peace. I thank you, Levuka, and Dhanyabad.
Vandindi kita zaka bewemba umeneta siri. Tinka dia sangavulu kina ronondol. Ko korabati ko korati bilo.
Tungtung li mga dirluon. Sanang kain tolak sa ngayon do mga tingkel.
I quote, "The violence that exists in the human heart is also manifest in the symptoms of illness that we see in the earth, the water, the air, and the living things." Chief guests, panel of judges, teachers, students, and my dear members of the public, today I stand before you all to elaborate on an issue, and that is climate change. Yes, climate change. Now, as you're often wondering, what is climate change? According to Wikipedia, climate change is a change in the statistical distribution of weather pattern when that change lasts for an extended period of time. This period of time can be from thousands and decades of years. The fact lies, and most of you might agree with me, dear audience, that the one and only source of climate change is nothing but the drastic human activities that we do. Yes, my dear friends, we are the ones who burn fossil fuels, emit gases and oil from factories in the ocean and dear trees. The observed carbon dioxide setting heat, trapping gases into the atmosphere. We are the ones causing heating up of the Earth's atmosphere, leading to the ozone destruction, ladies and gentlemen. The change in the weather patterns, the rise in the sea level, the reclamation of land by the sea, I repeat, are all part and parcels of decades of fossil fuel burning. Let me take you back to the decades of time of the burning industrial age. Did you know that this was the age where the hand tools were replaced by power-driven machines? With the introductions of machines, people which at that time did not have emission-reducing components. Therefore, the use of chemicals and fuels in factories resulted in increase in water pollution and an increase of use of fossil fuel. Evidently, this was a time in which there was no such concern and laws at all that protected the environment. Due to these facts, ladies and gentlemen, yes, due to these facts, for centuries, which is hundreds of years, dear listeners, humans unknowingly contaminated sources of drinking water with raw sewage. This was a time when factories began releasing pollutants directly into rivers and streams. Furthermore, the industrial age never realized when burnt fossil fuels emit harmful gases, including carbon dioxide and sulfur oxide, which increase the amount of green gases in the atmosphere, here resulting in global warming. The ozone layer continues to claim what was once ours, my faithful audience. Let us not be ignorant any longer. Preserve and conserve our environment. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can help our very own Mother Earth. It is time to act now before it is too late. Thank you, Danvayat and Nakavaka.
Now,